Want quicker access to symbols and special characters on your Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let's check out the Samsung keyboard alternative characters option. To do so, open any app where you can use the keyboard, like when you are opening a note. Then tap the settings icon above the keyboard. Scroll down the screen. Tap layout. And then enable or disable alternative characters. When this option is on, each letter key will also display symbols. For example, the letter D also shows a hashtag. So a single tap gives you D, while a long press type hashtag. When this option is off, your keyboard hides the symbols, so long pressing a letter will only bring up alternative letter instead. So if you type symbols often, like hashtags or email addresses, you can keep alternative characters enabled. It saves time since you don't need to switch layout just to find them. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.